In this video, we're going to write a formula using algebra from a pattern using words that we will find from a table that shows a relationship. The question says the Easter Bunny wants to deliver a carton of eggs to each child he's delivering to. He wants to put 6 eggs in each carton. Complete the table below to find the pattern. The top says the number of cartons and the bottom value is the number of eggs. We've been given a few carton values and we're going to find the corresponding egg values. One carton has 6 eggs in it. If we had 2 cartons, there'd be 6 in each carton. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 cartons, each with 6 eggs. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 cartons, each with 6 eggs. 5 times 6 is 30. 8 cartons, each with 6 eggs. 6 times 8 is 48. And 10 cartons, each with 6 eggs. 6 times 10 is 60. So we've completed our table. Part B asks us to describe using words the pattern that relates the number of cartons on the top and the number of eggs we would have with that many cartons. So if we think about how we calculated each of those values in the bottom row of the table, for example, if we had 3 cartons and we knew each carton had 6 eggs, that would give us 18 eggs. So describing the pattern that relates the number of cartons and the number of eggs can be done by saying the number of eggs is equal to the number of cartons, or 6 times the number of carton because there's 6 eggs in each carton. 6 times the number of cartons. Then part C asks us, it says if the number of cartons is represented by little n and the number of eggs is represented by capital N, write a formula to describe this pattern. So we're writing what we've done above, that same relationship, but we're doing it using an algebraic formula. Let's look at the rule we've written in words. The number of eggs. The number of eggs was being represented by capital N. Our other unknown, that is the number of cartons. And the number of cartons is represented by lowercase n. We also know that the number of eggs is equal to 6 times the number of cartons. Let's see if we can write that information. The number of eggs is capital N, is equal to, equal sign, 6 times the number of cartons, which was lowercase n. The number of eggs n is equal to 6 times the number of cartons, lowercase n. Now when we're writing algebraic rules, the most correct way to write that is without the multiplication symbol. So we can rewrite this as capital N, the number of eggs, is 6n, and that means 6 times n, but that's a better way or a more concise way of writing 6 times n.